Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and
Hello
support.
friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this exclusively designed with the beads and thread work. So let's quickly start with the designing using the normal stitching needle, and we have to give the markings like this. It's like the lotus flower followed with the stem work, and this is the freehand pattern. You can draw according to your customized sizes. So this is how the flower would look, and exactly in the center the small oval shape, it will be filled with the maroon color of anchor thread. This is of 6 strands, and for the filling I'd be going with the satin stitch. This is how we have to create it. Also you can try with any types of silk threads, embroidering threads or woolen threads. This is how the center of the flower will be filled. Next I'd be using the lemon green color, which is of 12 strands thread, and here I'd be working with the padded load stitch. For that we have to create the loop like this, and on this we'll give an overlapping stitches. So concentrate on the flower shape, which will reflect once the blouse or the outcome has to be evaluated. And nowadays thread work designings with kundan work, stone work and the beads work is really trending. So if you are the trend lovers, you must try these type of patterns, and these can be customized as per our requirement. So one side of the petal is filled. Now I'll be going with the another side in the same way like how I've shown previously. Using the simple embroidering stitches we are creating these patterns, and with, as I said in the beginning of the video also, using these stitches we can create it with less efforts, less time taking and low cost. These patterns are really expensive in the markets because these are customized and designer boutique patterns, but having the knowledge of doing these things will save your money and time, isn't it? So I thought of sharing these ideas, and so that you can also try at home easily. Alternatively I'd be filling with the navy blue color the same padded load stitch, the remaining leftover petals. So accordingly matching to your saree or any types of dress color combinations, you can select these colors so that it will emphasize the design. And to highlight the borders, here I'd be working with the antique zardosi of bronze color and concentrate on the shapes, especially on these tips, and we have to give an invisible stitches like this. Once the stitch is done on the tips, we have to press it so that the corners will really emphasize the pattern. So this is how we have to give an invisible stitches, and the complete flower will be elevated with this bronze antique zardosi. And for the stitching of zardosi, here I'll be using cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. All these materials are available in fancy stores, ladies corners or any tailoring material shops. Also you can check with the links provided in the description box. So like this we have to give the continuous stitch without breaking, and once it reached to the another corner we have to cut it here like so. Continue on the complete making of this flower with the zardosi string. Following these simple instructions, you can also try this designing on already stitched blouses, or else like overall designing on complete blouse, or for your any types of garments designing. These simple tips will really work, so concentrate on the neatness and the fine finishings because it will reflect on the complete output. Now in the center of the petals I'll be creating the loops with the zardosi string like this, and inserting the small string in the center of these loops and giving the stitch. And now some of the petals will be filled with the Zardozi string. Starting in the center of the first, using as the reference, we'll create the second line like this. It should be overlapped, and we have to give the joining of 4 to 5 strings of Zardozi like this. So the remaining petals will be filled in this way. Next comes the stem work. For that I'd be using the golden beads of size 4 number, and exactly in the center of these stems I'd be giving the beads joining. So inserting 4 to 5 at a time and giving an overlapping stitches like this. And now the stem work will be also highlighted with this bronze Zardozi string. So placing just adjacent to this, we have to give an invisible stitches on it. On both the sides we have to give the joining of this Zardozi string. This way we'll complete the pattern, and the complete pattern will be followed flowers, stem work and the leaves. And once finished, the outcome would look like this. Really friends, these are very much trending patterns. Hope the sharing of an idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends.